Welcome to Insight to Amazon Selling. I'm Samuel from BQool, and I'll be sharing with you best practices and tips from 8-figure Amazon sellers. In this video, we'll teach you how to find profitable products to sell on Amazon step by step in less than 5 minutes. No gimmicks. This is the first step to become a profitable Amazon FBA seller and one of the most important steps for you to step towards your financial freedom. Whether you're trying to start a side gig to supplement your income, or you're already an Amazon FBA seller looking to expand your private label to build your e-commerce empire, I strongly recommend you do a risk-free trial right now if you're new to BQool, so you can follow along the tutorial and speed up your learning. You can do that by clicking on the sign up link in the description below. Let's get right to business. The first step after you have connected your MWS account is to go to the Research tab and click on Product Research. Then select All Products. Next, click on the Filter button to find products that have enough demand, low competition, and are profitable. Let's filter by first selecting your target marketplace. Usually, I'll start with the US marketplace because it's the largest marketplace. Then, let's set these filters. Let's insert about 300 for minimum for sales. You can also select 298 to get some different results. Then I will pick something around $20, or in our example, $19.93, and select a rating between 1 and 4. I set the price around $20 because there will be enough margins after accounting for my Amazon FBA and shipping costs. Then I will insert 3 sellers as a maximum number of sellers, since I want to minimize the competition. For reviews, I will select a max of 100 reviews. This will ensure that the product is not oversaturated in the market. I'll leave the estimated revenue blank because with my $20 price and 300 average sales per month, I'm looking for products that have earned at least $6,000 for the last 30 days. From the results, I will pick a few products to add to our product tracker, so you can track these products and check their historic data. I'll avoid the large brands since our goal is to do private label and build your own brand. Let's go to the product tracker and press View Details. I picked the portable washing machine because of 3 reasons. First, there are over $27,000 of estimated monthly revenue for this product. Second, the rating is under 3.6 stars, which means there is room for improvement. Third, there are only 40 reviews for this product, which makes it less competitive to start selling. Other positive factors are the ease and cost of shipping. You can see this seller is not a household name and he is doing private labeling for this product. Let's go for the positive and negative reviews on Amazon to see how we can improve and market this product. On the Amazon listing, click on Reviews. Then click on the 5-star reviews to review what people love about this product. We can see that people with babies really enjoy the product. Also, people enjoy the product's mobility and not having to leave their apartment. They also value saving water and electricity. Next, click on the 3-star and below ratings for improvement ideas. You can see that many customers complain that this product is too small. To reduce negative feedback for a listing, we should give people an accurate idea of the capacity of the product. We could also source a product with a larger bucket to hold more capacity. I got a product idea, and now we need to check the Amazon keywords to verify there's enough demand to investigate this further. Make sure to watch our next episode for how to verify demand for an Amazon product. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave us a comment below. Subscribe to our BQool channel today and press the bell so you'll be notified for more great tips to grow your Amazon sales.